Guess what? ¿Qué crees?
Oh, looks cray. It looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah, just keep going. I got the wallpaper samples of which wallpaper I kind of want to do in the new studio. I'm gonna keep saying that, in the new studio. So let's see. I ordered them off of Etsy. Where are the designs? Okay. Oh, they're right here. I'm going to be putting my wallpaper samples up to feel the vibe. Again, just like my swatch wall, I want to make the right decision. I have a feeling it's going to be this one right here. It is just so gorgeous, and I feel like it complements this space very well with my gold filigree Sam's Club TikTok viral mirror. I feel like this one is really nice, and how I'm going to be doing a black circle mirror, black accents. This I think is the way to go. This one right here, that is a terrazzo wallpaper, feels very kiddish to me. I don't 100% like it. I think it would look amazing in my daughter's room, but for the studio, I think it's just too young. And this one I love as well. This is the Monstera and Roses mural. It is gorgeous, but this is a real life Monstera, and the wallpaper is kind of like a bluish vibe. And it's only a little piece, but it does show you on the other side what piece is the sample. And it looks like the Monstera plant is pretty big on this wallpaper and very dark. And like I said, this color is like a bluish grayish color, which I am not 100% vibing with, because all the plants in my studio are real. The green on them is beautiful, so I don't know why it's so dark. I feel like because this is watercolor wallpaper or whatever. So these are the 3 samples I have. These are 3 of the samples. Now that this one is on the wall, it's really pretty. This is also going to get taken down. I'm getting an electrician so I can cover this, because here is where the mirror is gonna go. The wallpaper I decided on is by Koko Art Shop, and it is finally here. I need my box cutter. Okay, so right when you open the box, it looks like this. You could kind of see which one I decided on. It also comes with this, which I believe is like the instructions, my little invoice. You got good taste. How cute. This is the design I chose. It comes with a little squeegee. And yeah, I believe this is gonna tell us exactly how to do it. Yep. So here are the instructions. We need a leveler. Babe, do we have a leveler?
Yes.
We need a cutter, which I believe, can we use this one?
Yes.
We got the cutter here. My husband has the leveler, and then a squeegee right here. And I also have, I don't have a pencil, but I have a pen. These are the panels. I think I got 7. And let me open them up. You have to kind of fold it over. Let me show you a video instead. Okay, let me record it so we can watch it a little bit slower. Little by little. You see that's folded.
Pegas allá arriba y le vas bajando nomás hacia el
Even
pasito.
more. Should we like put, where are we gonna put them so we can like kind of measure out the wall and see if
Oh, sorry. Right here.
So that's 1. You got 2 right there on your hand?
Yes.
Okay. You think this is gonna be enough for that wall?
Pero no creo que estamos haciendo doble trabajo, porque es mejor que ponga una y la vamos a ir encimando y tratando que quede derecha.
Sí, nomás
No
queríamos
estamos mirando a ver si
ver.
era suficiente para la pared.
Sí, ¿verdad?
No.
Uy,
What are you
en vez de ayudar ando quebrando.
I hope our walls are straight too, because if not, then it's gonna look crazy. good. Just don't drop any dust over here, baby.
On me?
Yeah. It's okay if it goes a little over, babe, because you can just razor the top off.
Razor the top off?
Yeah, but just make sure if you're doing it a little up, all of them are gonna go a little up, you know?
Yeah, thing like that.
You can go overboard, baby, because there's a lot on the bottom.
Okay.
So don't think you have to do it right on the black line, because then it's gonna show a little bit of white and black.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna... Lo voy a hacer así.
Yeah.
Así como vamos.
Sí. Así. Estamos pensando...
Nomás acomódalo y yo nomás
Yeah,
tengo
you just go above.
Y ese quedó, parece corazón de la flor. ¿Le quedó este?
Look, step back. Mira, ¿se verdad que va a ir?
Wow! It looks good!
Sí, quedó bien bonito.
No,
No?
you're good. Right here, do you see that? I can't see your hands in the way, baby. Yeah, it's way too crooked. Oh, too left. Oh, my hands and my legs. Not to be towing too much. Baby, why is that one so high?
Because it's supposed to be like that. That's how I did the other one.
Baby, measure it how I told you. You had an inch, right? How
Yes, that
about
was
we try?
an inch right there.
But if you had a line here, it'd be easier too for you. Don't you think? It looks good, but it's really off because look at the flower. You see it's just the little tip of it and you already like highlighted a lot of it. You see that?
Yeah.
Baby, you highlighted an inch, right?
Yeah.
It's not an inch, it's less than an inch. It's
How
not
is that less than an inch?
because I was telling you you're measuring it wrong. You kept saying it's an inch and I was like, look at it from the top. It's not an inch. What I see over there is right here. All of that. It needs to be right there. It needs to be right here. That's where I see it.
That's not an inch.
It's not an inch. You measured an inch and I told you, babe, it's not an inch.
Look, let me see where you're measuring. I was telling you, okay, let's do it right there, baby, right there. And I have the thing right there, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it right there.
No le caso a Jessica porque tiene
Then
que
it
ser
should
como
be right
Jessica.
there. You should have told me. I had to hear you. Could have said, okay, let me
Well,
push
it's
it back
right.
a little bit.
Okay, alright. Give it to me.
We're doing it. The third time's the charm. We got it now.
Jessica, estamos renegando y todo estás grabando.
Todo estoy grabando. So we only have one panel up. The first one was pretty much the easiest one. The other ones that we have to overlay, oh, this is super crooked, are super hard. Oh my god, you guys, like it is taking us a long time. When I seen that it said 1 hour per panel, I kind of giggled. I was like, yeah, sure, it's gonna take us like 20 minutes.
$50 por hora.
No, it's taking a while. So we first kind of eyeballed it. Now we're like measuring. So hopefully this time it looks good.
Apunta bien, Samuel, para que ya no nos falle.
Déjame medir how this
Chingado, yes.
Where? Which one? The one
That
inside?
one, yes.
No, baby, ese no
It looks
es.
good. It looks really good, actually.
Alright, let's go.
Let's
Ya
go.
sabes que escuchaba, no, babe, it's not right.
I need an eraser to be able to erase.
We'll
the
erase
marks.
it afterward. We're
Yeah,
gonna
no.
go
I know.
Where's my squeegee? Let's
do this side.
Ojalá que ya por fin, Señor. Ayúdanos, Señor bendito, que ya está
It's the
cerca.
inside side.
Yes. You wanna move it or not?
One more time. We got it. Let's do it one more time.
Hay que despegarlo todo y volverlo a poner. Ahora sí, ponle con más cuidado, Jessica, allá arriba, en la medida.
I'm not moving it at all. And you're not moving it.
Yes, I am moving it.
Oh, it does look good, babe. It doesn't look
Oh
too
my
bad.
god, that was so hard. I think it's about a little millimeter off, but it looks fine from afar.
No se mira mal de lejos.
It looks perfect from over here.
It does. Look.
I love it. Woo! Okay, measure. How does it look?
Ah, sí, está bien.
Sí.
Ajá. Porque tú jalas desde la horquilla que yo de 6, para que vaya para.
Dang!
It looks good or what?
Yeah. No, it looks good. What you touching up there, babe? You ain't touching nothing.
Oh, like.
Ah, estoy mirando ya.
Mira la pared. Mira lo que estoy diciendo.
Yeah.
Dale higher. Dale más mirar la línea. Porque la pared se vea que.
Yeah. Damn.
Este quería un poquito más para
Damn,
arriba.
brother.
Le dije a Samuel, ponlo mucho más para
You
arriba
can't
porque hay
exercise.
espacio abajo. No, bien derechito,
For real?
perfecto allí en la mera.
Guess what? ¿Qué crees? Mira, hey,
Ah,
listen,
wow.
Jessica, una bolera y el pedacito que le van a cortar arriba, le pegamos un pedacito ahí, y ya.
Nope. I told you don't stick it until you're sure.
It looks good though. It's gonna look good. Let it go. You don't think it's gonna look good like that? Especially with that big old line right here merging together.
You want me to do that?
Straight down, straight. Or straight cricket. It's looking a little wonky donk.
Not too bad.
Yeah, it is. Look at all this wallpaper.
That's because you did it too far this way. Look at the line. I told you you're supposed to tilt something like this way.
Okay. Sorry, but that up there looks perfect. It looks cray.
Looks crazy?
Let me see. No, it looks fine. It looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah, just keep going. We're almost done with the wallpaper. Kind of drove us a little cray. It looks perfect. It looks seamless. You can't even tell where we kind of messed up. I know if like we zoom in, you'll probably see, let me see. Okay, this is one panel, this is another. You can't tell there. We did that pretty well. Here, you can't really tell. Here, okay, where are the inconsistencies? Because you can't even tell anymore. Wait, I'm trying to find something that looks bad and I can't.
You're trying to find it, you're gonna find it.
It looks so good. This one came out seamless. That's the panel line. Right now, once he smooths it, wait, is that the panel line? No, that's so crazy. It's like, oh yeah, it is. Okay, it's so seamless that you can't really even tell. It looks so freaking good. We are finally done with the wallpaper. It looks amazing, guys. Like, I am so happy with the outcome. The first panel took us a good like 30 minutes. Each other panel ranged anywhere from like 2 minutes to a good 30-40 minutes. It did say that each panel would take an hour, so I was already mentally prepared that we would be here for about 7 hours. In reality, this whole wall took us a good like 2-3 hours. It could have taken longer if we were a little bit more detail oriented and we kept going until it was perfect, but I think we might have had to get a divorce after that if we did, because oh my god, some pieces are so freaking frustrating and we're like up, down, to the left, to the right, and at the end I was just like, just put it down. And now looking at it from afar, looks amazing. It looks beautiful. The next thing we're going to do is the counter, the countertop, the sink, the mirror, the sconces. So stay tuned for those videos, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to purchase this wallpaper, I'll have it in the description box down below so you guys can purchase. Go on Etsy and look at different ones that I think it's called Koko Art has. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I could know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you could be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also subscribe to my channel. Click the face right here and you are subscribed. I also have to paint this one pink. That one's pink, this one's nude. Doesn't look too bad because of this nude, but I'm gonna paint it pink. And you can watch 2 other of my videos right here before you go. I love you, bye.